Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 lag and FPS drops. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to View Advanced System Settings, go to Settings, Adjust for Best Performance, click Apply and OK and then close it. And after that, right click on your desktop and then go to NVIDIA Control Panel. And after that, go to Use My Preference, move it to Performance and then click Apply and close it. And after that, click here and then you go to GeForce Experience. Now go to drivers, check for updates and make sure you have the latest update, and then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Enable this option and your problem must be fixed. After that, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.